My name is Travis Kimball, Chief Marketing Officer and partner with Quick Quack Car Wash. We want to introduce you to our latest grand opening of our car wash here in Sacramento on Madison Avenue. In between Chick-fil-A and In-N-Out, what more could we ask for?
I'm Jessica Alonzo, Programs Director for Keaton's Child Cancer Alliance. I'm honored to be here today to accept this very generous check on behalf of Yaretsi and her family. Yaretsi was diagnosed with severe aplastic anemia at the age of 11 and has been in active treatment ever since. We thank the community, all of her family members, and those that came out to support this amazing fundraiser. We cannot thank Quick Quack enough for hosting these wonderful events and honoring families in this special way.
The man who will be here almost every day, he is going to be the heart and soul of this location, Charles Lamonti. Come on down.